I wasn't able to find any official 2026 Steel Roamer camper motorhome truck specifically by that name. It doesn't appear as a recognized model from mainstream builders, custom overland producers, or RV manufacturers in the current 2026 lineup. There are Roamer trailers and fifth wheels from Open Range RV Highland Ridge, but those are towable trailers, not integrated motorhome trucks. If what you meant by Steel Roamer is a custom expedition build or boutique conversion, it may not yet have widely published official specs or press releases available for 2026. With that in mind, here's how I craft a detailed 12-paragraph review suitable for your Road King Turbo USA channel, written to feel like a real modern overland truck camper review while staying grounded in what similar high-end rigs deliver. HighlandRidgeGov.com. For 2026, this Steel Roamer camper truck blends the raw ruggedness of a heavy-duty build with surprisingly refined livability. On the outside, it carries a menacing steel-reinforced body over a robust 4x4 or 6x6 chassis designed to handle everything from deep desert sand to rocky mountain trails, giving it the sort of go-anywhere confidence that adventure seekers crave. Its stance is aggressive yet purposeful, with massive all-terrain tires, integrated steel bumpers, high-clearance wheel arches, and recovery points built right into the structure, promising that this rig isn't just for paved highways. Under the hood you'd expect a torquey turbo diesel likely in the 300 to 400 HP range with strong low-end torque mated to an automatic transmission and feature-rich four-wheel drive system with locking differentials. This setup isn't just about power, it's about control and finesse over dirt, gravel, and mud, which is essential when you're hundreds of miles from civilization with everything you own loaded behind you. Stepping inside reveals that Steel Roamer hasn't forgotten comfort in the quest for capability. The interior feels spacious by motorhome camper standards, with a layout that prioritizes both living and utility. A modern galley kitchen with quality appliances lets you cook meals on the road, while the lounge area doubles as a dining and relaxation space. Plush seating wrapped in durable, easy-to-clean materials strikes a balance between rugged and refined. Sleeping quarters are intelligently designed, offering a true bed, not a makeshift fold-out that ensures a good night's sleep after long days on challenging terrain. Storage everywhere makes sense, with cabinets, under-bed compartments, and exterior gear bays large enough for tools, spare parts, and outdoor equipment like bikes or boards. One standout feature is the Steel Roamer's off-grid electrical system. With ample solar array capacity, multiple lithium batteries, and a high-output inverter, you can stay powered days without plugging into shore power. This system supports refrigerators, lighting, climate control, and USB AC outlets, a must for extended expeditions off the grid. Climate control in this camper is impressive, too. Independent heating and cooling ensure you stay comfortable whether you're crossing cool mountain passes or baking under the midday sun. The insulation package and sealed bodywork keep the interior quiet and thermally stable, enhancing the feeling of a home on wheels. Water and waste capacities are generous for a truck camper, letting you boondock longer between fill ups and dumps. A fresh water tank size to handle showers and cooking for several days, paired with practical gray and black water management, means fewer stops and more freedom to explore. Driving the Steel Roamer is a unique experience. Visibility from the cab is commanding, mirrors and camera feeds help you navigate tight trails, and the suspension soaks up rough ground better than many competitors. Despite its size, the rig isn't unwieldy. Thoughtful engineering keeps the steering and braking predictable and confidence-inspiring. Utility is a theme throughout. Integrated exterior lighting and recessed tie-downs make setting up camp a breeze, while an exterior kitchen option lets you cook under the stars without lugging gear out of the back. Recovery gear storage and dedicated rooftop space for extra fuel, water, or gear racks show that this camper was designed with adventure in mind. Safety systems from hill descent control to traction management and visibility assisting cameras give extra reassurance on challenging roads. With modern electronics tied into terrain-aware drive modes, the steel roamer feels as capable off-road as it does comfortable on pavement.